large size balcony with a panoramic view and a pool view as well from the balcony of your apartment. 2 open large size pool, and also the canal Istanbul view as well. This is the saloon of your apartment. (125 square meters), separate kitchen, 2+1. This is the entrance gate of your apartment. This is the view from another angle. Beside the saloon, there is a kitchen, separate kitchen, large size kitchen, dining table area is also available. All the appliances are available. This is room number 1 that has same view. This is separate washroom with separate shower area. This is the master room. This is the bathroom that is connected with the room. This is room that has same view from the window of your room.